everyone, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. Gone are the days when we used to get longer pockets in our jeans. But nowadays, it's hardly a case. I can think of only two reasons behind this. First, 95% of women's jeans are stretchable, so if girls put a lot of stuff in their front pocket, it can ruin the shape of the jeans from front and which will not look good. Second, they must be saving some amount on the production cost, because imagine, even if they are saving 1 rupee on million products, right? So it is always good to have longer pocket for emergencies. So without further ado, let's learn how to do it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will be of some use to you guys. See you guys next time. Till then, stay connected, spread love.